Scene test 1, take 1. Action!
Selamat datang kembali ke podcast Alamat Apa bersama saya Rose, his beluga whale.
Aku ID di Polar Bear.
What up is Nur, he's budak kecil.
Memang tak kena nickname masing-masing. No, please enlighten us why suddenly I got new nickname beluga whale.
Because he couldn't pronounce the word. Apa tu? Bagula, something like that.
Belenggu.
Oh, belenggu. He couldn't pronounce belenggu. So it's like, I had to say that he's the beluga whale.
You Adil, everything you.
Hey.
Problem are you?
Alamak, problem ah.
Wait. We are gonna get into that lah. Okay, alright. So, tadi kita stop dekat part yang mission and vision for HPA for this year lah. Okay. Tadi aku dah share pasal get edgier with our topics, adakan more YouTube contents, vlogs, okay, invite guests and all that. Anything that the both of you want to tambah?
Aku actually prefer more to vlog. Okay, aku prefer more to vlog pasal kalau kita vlog, kita boleh keluar. Cuma satunya kita ni masih baru. Bila pegang kamera tu macam agak malu lagi lah. Macam orang fikir apa benda sial ini buat dengan kamera macam ni. Selalunya kalau orang record is someone else yang pegang kamera.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau kita as macam kita buat YouTube, kita record sendiri, is kita yang pegang sendiri. Kita pegang. And aku pula besar. Jadi camera angle tu agak macam cover semua.
Okay. Let me share with you something if you don't mind. Okay. Time bulan puasa ni, aku kalau pergi gym, aku pergi malam-malam buta pasal aku punya sleep cycle screw up. Anytime Fitness bila lepas 12 malam memang dah kosong lah, tak ada orang. Time tu lah yang aku cuba beranikan diri untuk bawa aku punya DJI, bawa aku punya mic, aku cuba vlog dalam gym. I take it as a practice. Aku cuba for like 4 to 5 times. That's where you guys can build confidence over time. Pasal sekali-sekala kalau vlog gitu memang agak janggal and weird lah. Tetapi as you do more, treat it as a practice lah. Okay, jalan-jalan dekat mana-mana public places, you will get used to it lah, I would say.
Okay, kalau macam aku, kalau kau ingat balik our first episode yang kita nak pergi record dekat Bugis.
Yeah, correct.
Aku try to vlog daripada rumah.
Pakai phone
pakai phone lah. Tapi aku pakai back camera 0.5, which is aku belajar daripada credit to AI team. Okay, Ali Irfan punya team. Aku tengok diorang vlog macam gitu. So barat, tapi diorang pakai iPhone. Diorang pakai iPhone, aku pakai Samsung. Jadi aku try. Okay, tahu. Tapi dia punya malu tu, lain macam oh. Betul aku cakap kau, lain macam. And kalau kau tengok balik the vlog yang kita buat time bulan puasa recently, okay, kau tengok muka aku penuh frame. Muka dia tak dapat masuk.
Kamera tu kecil. Dia jebol.
Habis dia pula suruh aku pegang. Aku don't mind pegang. Masalahnya aku cover the whole frame. Jadi macam how to vlog to people.
Masalahnya saya ni pendek, tangan saya tak sampai.
Jadi okay, that's the problem right there lah kat situ kan. Yang kita have to find a solution. Gitu.
Okay. What would be the solution untuk korang dua untuk vlog comfortably?
Ada kita punya own videographer.
Untungnya
someone to just help us take a video. So we both will see about the same size tau. Kalau tak pasal dia besar sangat, then I'm too short. No matter what angle we play with, it's still very awkward.
Well, I got a very simple solution for the both of you. Use an action camera. Action camera dia wide wide lens. Just like my DJI camera. With a wider lens can definitely cover both of you lah, because even with korang punya height difference, definitely can see the both of you. And DJI punya camera, kalau korang nak connect to mic, very easy. So that's my solution.
So
lah.
mungkin kita boleh get Osmo Pocket lah.
Osmo Pocket. I mean kalau korang ada budget, beli DJI Pocket 3 lah. Kalau tak ada budget, can just buy the action camera, just like mine.
Yang camera 360 that one, is it?
Insta360 lain.
The Insta360 is more to buat activity. Right.
Okay,
Yang motor right?
Okay, all action cameras, diorang more towards activity. Tetapi, suddenly talk about action camera . Okay, sorry. Okay, so Insta360 Go 3 dia ada flip screen. Definitely untuk vlogging lagi senang lah.
Different from GoPro
Different from GoPro. GoPro dengan DJI tak ada flip screen. Insta360 Go Ace Pro ke apa ada. Tetapi when it comes to low light performance, DJI is the best.
I see.
And definitely both of you need to have a camera with good low light performance, pasal ideal ni gelap.
Yeah.
Okay, with this, Zai, please buy one more. Thank you.
Sardin dia minta. Okay. Going just now we sebut the name, problem.
Alamak, problem
Ideal. Where did the name problem come from? Our podcast name come from?
Okay.
You know the story.
Nak cari nama untuk podcast kita that time, memang susah. Macam-macam nama kita keluarkan.
Okay, sorry to cut you off. I came up with English name. He totally disagree with me.
Okay, what was the few names that you came up with?
Macam-macam lah.
Macam a lot. I think around 20.
Macam-macam was
20 name.
Spooky encounters ke apa ke, ataupun apa ke.
Well, for me that time ada 20 dalam list. But then aku tak agree tu semua.
Dia tak resonate with English name lah, senang kata.
Senang kata
dia
lah.
Melayu lah.
Dia nak Melayu.
Pasal aku memang penjiwa Melayu.
Yes, correct.
Tapi bila there's one time tu macam
kita dah ada stick to one name actually.
What was it?
Kau ingat tak?
I can recall.
Okay, so
apa nama dia?
Okay, so we try to use this name lah. Kita nak panggil kita nama podcast kita kan dah cakap.
So
That's nice.
Tetapi okay, so kita punya intro, I would say, like hey, what's up guys, welcome back to KDC. I felt KDC tak kena, tetapi it was still okay lah. And dah ada podcast lain pun ada the word cakap. Shout out to nak cakap sikit.
nak cakap sikit. Yes.
So we were gonna actually go for the name, tetapi ada satu macam incident, terus macam pakai nama tu lah. It was from you.
That time macam kita tengah pilih-pilih nama tu macam alamak, siul lah. So that halamak makin banyak tau. Macam keep on come out from my mouth like.
Senang kata dia tengah serabut lah.
Macam serabut gila. So that halamak keep on come out from my mouth. That word come out from my mouth. So like alamak, tak kena siap. Alamak apa So tiba-tiba macam alamak macam ni alamak macam baik lah, kita boleh pakai lah. Saya cakap, habis for me back then, bukan back then lah, until now lah I always who's the one who make problem.
Until now lah.
Until now lah.
Forever lah.
Forever lah. Okay. So halamak problem, then the is just like it's just problem sedap
So
that's where halamak problem punya nama keluar.
Initially we wanted alamak, not
yes, alamak.
Tetapi ideal dan dia cakap, orang-orang Malaysia sebut alamak as halamak, so I'm like boleh lah. So is
tu melekat sampai sekarang.
So halamak problem lah. That's how the name timbul lah, I would say.
Okay.
Pasal tak silap aku dekat Malaysia memang pakai tu word banyak jugalah kan.
Diorang punya bahasa pasar lah, I would say.
Apa yang nama penyanyi tu yang nyanyi lagu halamak problem pula.
Halamak Raya DFM.
DFM.
Halamak
see,
Raya
popular
lagi. Kuih raya tak jadi lagi.
Alright,
Ada tepung, ada ke
Bukan, dah salah.
We get back to topic. Yang tadi you were talking about my peminat.
Oh, yeah.
My characters and what does it
Sorry,
mean by that?
Okay, so peminat ni, bila that time disedia, aku just nak catch up with my old colleague lah. Okay, nak tanya diorang pasal kerja. Sekali diorang pun macam, Di, macam mana kau punya podcast? Yang What Up Isno tu dalam kau punya ni Dia cakap,
yang What Up Isno?
Dia, aku macam, Asal? Tak ada, aku macam suka cara dia gini. Tak rasa aku dalam 3-4 orang. 3-4 orang.
Dia punya apa sal tu macam asal.
Akhirnya aku macam asal budak-budak ni macam tanya je gini. Jadi diorang macam tak macam best lah. Nampak the collaboration tu kan. Collaboration kita tu macam macam kena lah. Macam aku ni macam bodoh-bodoh, dia ni macam pandai-pandai gitu kan. Kira macam
memanglah
50-50 kat situ.
Balance.
Dia balance kat situ.
Pandai dengan bodoh lah.
Bodoh dengan pandai lah kat situ. Jadi diorang suka. Jadi aku macam ada peminat juga budak ni tak pandang kecil.
Okay.
Jadi aku macam okay, ada peminat rupanya dia ni. Jadi diorang macam suka. They always look forward for kita punya podcast.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much guys.
Nak autograph tak?
Jangan belakang sangat. Tak payah.
No je. Aku kau tak ada. Aku kau tak ada.
Tak ada. Kita dua tak ada.
Aku peminat.
Selalu Zai, yang senang dapat peminat ni perempuan.
Unfortunately lah.
Kita tak insur mana pun. Jadi tak apa. It's okay. As long kita ni macam sedih siap. Sedih.
Ya, sabar. Korang kalau tak minat aku ataupun Aidil, tak apa. Yang penting korang minat kepada konten-konten kita. Kira aku nak jawab cara diplomatik lah.
Siul lah.
Sedih sekejap.
Tapi Alhamdulillah, aku punya colleague semua macam dengar diorang konsum kita punya podcast. At the same time, okay, peminat okay lah bagi aku. Daripada nothing, tak ada progress. At least yang ni kita boleh dengar macam at least ada 3-4 orang macam minat dengan siapa tu?
Terkejut aku. Orang bersih.
Jadi macam bagi aku there's some progress. InsyaAllah.
At least kita ada traction, orang tengok semua.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much guys.
Do you have any your circle of people yang commented about our podcast and YouTube?
Only my niece and my nephews.
What did they say?
They just like the content. I think when they like your Hafiz punya content, kau cakap ketawa-ketawa. And they was like,
right.
what you all do always? We just talk and laugh and stuff. They like this one. This Uncle Kentut, right?
Apa hal lah nama Uncle Kentut ni?
Okay, like it or not, both of you are the faces of HPA respectively lah. Coming from me.
Bunyi macam sedih.
Bukan sedih. Sabar. Bukan sedih. Okay, I always pride myself being the base. Okay, korang imagine kita ni macam cake. Okay, macam cake. Aku kirakan macam base. Dia punya sponge cake lah. Korang dua macam dia punya icing dengan topping respectively. That's how I view the
Dia nak jadi frosting ke fondant?
three of us.
Frosting.
I did frosting lah. No, okay. So I did frosting.
Tapi black colour.
No as the finishing touch per se.
Pasal dia yang colourful.
Correct. Yes.
I guess happy birthday.
You're right. So that's how I view the three of us. I don't mind not being macam orang kenal ke burger. Tak kisah. I don't care. I don't care for fame ke burger. Tapi kalau kena pun bagus jugalah.
Okay. Ada. InsyaAllah ada.
No lah. Okay lah. From my circle of friends pun, like I mentioned just now, diorang pun bilang, like adversaries ada very positive. And then especially kita punya try to segments yang bila part kita bikin episode boy band tu, diorang suka Sul. Diorang suka and diorang kecam korang dua.
Serious lah.
Main-main lah.
Tak kisah lah. As long diorang consume kita punya video.
At least we are getting reactions and views, man.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much guys. Tapi memang true fact lah, aku tak dengar sangat lagu boy band.
Masing-masing lah.
Dengar tu dengar, tapi macam nak kenal diorang tu sampai ikut diorang punya album tu. No.
Macam bila lah korang dua dengar Ria dengan Warna.
Tak kau.
Habis?
Tak ada lah.
That's what you
Aku
guys
dengar Warna.
Aku dengar more tu Ria actually.
Ria. I mean that's what korang
selalu
mention.
lagu Melayu pun is like just Malaysia
Yeah.
and stuff.
And I was exposed to MTV. That's why I know like most of the songs out there.
Oh tak, aku dulu ni SCTV.
Apa?
Antenna punya SCTV Indonesia.
Oh. Cita Hikmah. Lama satu.
Ui, gila.
Oh, dia tahu lagu dandut je, that's why.
Oh, sebab tu aku suka dugem.
Itu pasal aku bilang dia, kau memang natural TikToker.
Oh tak ada lah, tak ada.
Cakap pasal natural TikToker, pada sesiapa kalau nak tengok Ideal react to TikTok songs, comment down below.
Bukan ada video.
Apa?
Kita akan buat lagi part 2.
Edition,
part tu.
Macam-macam lagu lagi ada.
Ui, banyak.
Tetapi this time round aku nak know yang pilih-pilih lagu. Pasal
boleh.
Pasal I mean both of you TikTok is both of your shit lah. So definitely korang dua tahu lebih daripada aku.
Also because Zai will be cringe watching our videos.
Oh yes.
Why don't we go like this? Okay, we will go for try not to cringe.
Oh.
This time round, korang dua try buat aku cringe dengan korang punya TikTok punya moves lah. Pasal yang biasa bikin TikTok content korang dua, bukan aku.
Aku tak sangat.
Yang biasa bikin gantengnya pacarku itu no. Yang biasa bikin itu kan. Aku memang tak buat ini semua.
Aduh.
Pasal aku cringe.
Aduh. Aku terpaksa masa tu.
Ya ke terpaksa?
Terpaksa.
Dah. Dia initially terpaksa. Tetapi once kau dah buat, kau macam editor gitu.
Actually yes lah. Betul.
Deep down you are a natural TikToker deal. You cannot deny, you cannot run away from the fact.
Cuma aku tak rekod. Aku
Practice lah.
Aku just macam kat belakang.
Dia macam main lah.
Tak ada depan-depan ni. Tak ada. So bagi aku, apa yang aku boleh sum up for HPA ni kita tak go only for podcast. We go for all
Content lah.
Most fast lah.
YouTube semua lah. Kita pakaliau lah.
Pakaliau. Ya, correct.
Pasal bagi aku podcast, dah banyak podcast kat luar juga kan. Podcast ni pun bagi aku is to tengok macam cerita-cerita yang hangat lah.
Share pendapat.
Pendapat ni semua.
Talk it out.
So masing-masing ada stronghold diorang lah.
Oh, stronghold lah.
Big words for a big guy.
Yeah. Stronghold from Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Bukan. Okay. Before we go around like less than 5 minutes to go. Any last words?
Coming from first lah. Ladies first.
Coming from the flower amongst the grass.
Yeah.
Why grass ya? Not kumbang meh?
Kumbang?
Ya, bunga kumbang namanya.
Besar sangat nak jadi kumbang. Tak boleh.
Yeah, correct. Okay.
I hope that we can do better for our second year itself. We bring in more guests, more contents, more benda-benda merepek lah kita akan buat, like vlogs and stuff.
Yes. Yeah, don't worry about tentang vlogging. Definitely aku akan find ways to make sure korang dua be as comfortable as possible lah.
There was this part I was thinking of trying to do amal and vlog.
Okay, right?
Wow.
Yeah, so maybe we give back to the community itself.
Aku pun ada that thoughts that time. Tapi what I can see is kita tak ada capital.
Yeah.
Apa tu?
Bukan.
What I can see, kita tak ada capital untuk buat tu lagi. Tapi insyaAllah one day aku really hope that we can do that.
That is definitely good. Bukan good content, but benda ni kan amal. So it's good to macam share lah.
Betul.
I also want that if kita keluar, orang cakap, kau HPA kan? People recognize us.
Recognize bukan pasal kita buat content, tapi pasal
what we say, our topics are actually good, and like what our opinion
apa
was.
yang diorang belajar daripada kita punya podcast ataupun
English lessons.
Okay, let me paint a situation lah. Okay, let's say korang jalan kat luar randomly, then tiba-tiba ada orang come up to you, ini what up is no from halamak problema ini ID daripada halamak problema what will be your reaction?
Kenal ke? Nanti macam, am I that famous already? Like, you know me? You sure?
Kalau macam aku pula, aku macam ya saya daripada HPA. Kira macam lagi orang kenal tu lagi kau akan menunduk
humble lah.
Kira humble semua
Sambal? Habis kau?
Kalau macam kau?
Oh, kenal. Tolong subscribe, tolong
Paksa.
Kau tak sure, buka sekarang tengok.
No lah, aku punya reaction will be more to macam, oh yeah, I am. Oh, tak lah, sikit-sikit je. Ya, tapi aku akan paling terkejut kalau diorang minta ambil gambar.
Wow.
Itu
dah ada level lah.
Itu dah lain level lah.
Bang kena pakai filter bang. Saya tak kena pakai Snapchat filter bang. Tak boleh.
Aduh.
Well,
okay.
bagi aku
last words.
Last words sum up apa yang Noh cakap tadi. Kita boleh bring more guests kalau kita dah ada space. More vlog, more content yang bukan macam dia cakap tadi, konten bodoh-bodoh kan. Tapi konten bodoh-bodoh tu, tapi kita still jaga batas kita. Jaga tak sampai tercemarkan nama baik Islam lah, senang kata.
Actually kan konten bodoh lah. It's more of like knowledgeable content. Macam English lessons kita more. And
Malay lesson pun boleh juga.
kita buat pantun lesson.
Pantun lesson.
InsyaAllah.
Boleh.
4 rakaat 4 rakaat tau.
Actually, okay. Add up to yang pantun tu.
Yeah.
Actually, aku ada contact with my old teacher, which is yang recently during puasa.
Yeah.
So dia tengah tunggu masa. Mungkin lepas raya ke apa, we try to plan something with him. Kita tengok macam mana, InsyaAllah lah.
Okay, right.
Since korang suka sangat berpantun 2-4 rakaat ni semua kan. Okay,
Kerat.
kerat kan. So we will apa ni? Oh jatuh. So we will do something lah. Okay, untuk apa panggil tu, sharpen our pantun lagi.
Pandai.
Nampak intellectual tak?
Intellectual lain.
Oh lain
Sama lah.
From you?
I mean I pretty much gave my last words just now. But I mean, apa yang korang cakap tu aku pun ikut sekali lah. Yeah. Nothing from me. Yeah. Okay. Before we end, aku nak share satu benda boleh?
Sure.
Sorry.
Oh jauh.
Adil, nearer to the mic. Okay. Recently, aku dah start beli baggy pants.
Okay.
Our generation, our age group, kita tak pakai baggy pants orang. Kita pakai slim fit, straight cut ataupun skinny fit back then. Tetapi zaman sekarang, fashion early 2000s diorang dah patah balik seluar baggy pants.
Baggy pants ni macam mana?
Baggy pants ni macam bootcut, like your pants lah.
Buka.
My
Bukan.
pants.
No punya seluar is straight cut.
No. There's one pants dia macam bukat sikit.
Ya.
Sikit, tapi dia tak sebesar macam budak-budak sekarang.
Dia kira macam seluar kargo lah. So dia dah trending since like last year. Tetapi aku tak ikut sangat. Then aku tengok macam ramai pun dah pakai. Aku rasa macam out of place. Terus aku macam let go of aku punya old jeans. Aku beli 2 baru punya.
Okay.
Itu je nak share.
Itu je.
Dia kau suka dah dekat pasal apa?
Tak, pasal
kau pergi raya kau pakai seluar tu?
Tidak lah.
Nasi pakui kat dalam.
Selik kuih botol.
Pasal I just don't want to feel out of place. Itu saja.
Pakcik-pakcik pun nak in trend.
Bodoh pakcik.
Dah pakcik ber, dah pangkat pakcik.
Dah. Alright. Let's end off our part 2 episodes. Alright.
Yep.
Before we end off to the part 2 episode, mana lagu ni? Once again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Halamak Problema, Spotify, Halamak Problema, TikTok, and Instagram.
Halamak problem.
Also do take note that we release a few contents on YouTube, so korang saksikanlah vlogs, tengok ID joget, our K-pop content hopefully will be uploaded after this lah, Osi. Alright? sorry.
Dan jangan lupa juga korang untuk komen-komen dengan lagu baru HPA.
Oh yes.
Komen macam mana, okey ke tak lagu baru kita ni?
Yeah. You okay, no?
Should we make a music video?
Comment down below if y'all want us to make a music video with our new song lah, Osi. Alright? Okay, and with that, Rose in the Hills signing off.
Aku ID kat sini.
What up is Nor?
Assalamualaikum.